am Ronald with Ghostland Robotics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Mobius lens. After I crashed with my racing drone, I scratched my Mobius lens, so I decided to replace it with the new C2 lens. It has a slightly wider field of view and it has better sharpness. So the first thing you have to do is remove the screws that are in the bottom of the camera and take off the cover. First thing you have to do once you remove the cover is to remove the battery carefully. It's going to be attached to your camera by a piece of double-sided tape. Once you remove it, you're gonna use an X-Acto knife to pull up the little lock that is holding in place the ribbon. All you have to do is pull it out. Here is a comparison of both lenses. They're physically very similar, but the new C2 is a little bit shorter, but it will fit in the case without any problem. When you're going to install it, make sure that the letters are facing up. Slide in the ribbon and press down the lock. Put the lens in place and accommodate the cables. Put back the battery in position and cover the camera. Make sure that the screws are tightened. And we're done. We have a new lens installed on our camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.